Okay, so my job for today is to take this thrown out 4-burner gas barbecue and turn it into an oven in which I can soften Lexan to make car windows. It's time for teardown. Most of you will probably be expecting me to use the manufacturer's glass out of this hatchback as the plug on which to mould its polycarbonate replacement. But there's a danger that draping hot plastic over that glass may cause it to shatter. However, in researching industrial hot plastic forming techniques, I've discovered you can use fiberglass moulds. So to avoid the problems with glass, I've made a fiberglass die on which to form the hot Lexan inside the tailgate mould that you saw me make. Let's pop it out and see what it looks like. They may take our fiberglass,
but they'll never take our freedom!
I couldn't help myself. I went and got this second thrown out Barbie that I saw on the side of the road and upgraded from 4 burners to 6 in twin overhead ignition piezo's. This second one is 950 wide compared to the first one's 800 wide. So this one is better considering my oven will be 1.5 metres wide. I found the first barbecue makes a great portable work trolley with its locking wheels. All it needs is a flat steel bench top. Great idea for your shed. You can just move it wherever you want. I've tacked together 3 frames that will form the oven. This one is the top. This one is the bottom of the oven. This is what the Lexan will actually slide onto. And this third one is a frame that just sits inside the barbecue, and it can be easily bolted to the barbecue, so I can make up the whole frame and then just bolt it in place. I decided not to make these frames out of primed black steel because any paint would smoke and burn, so instead I've used 20mm square galvanised tube. Let's tack the frames together. With all the framing for the oven done, including one for the door, I can now take this off the barbecue, turn it upside down, fully welded. about to clad the oven door with its sheet of tin, and I'm going to deliberately cut that metal 20mm past the top edge of the door so that when it closes the heat won't escape out through a gap between the frame of the door and the frame of the oven. And I've got another trick for this door as well. Although I've got the temperature of the oven to guide me, I'd really like to be able to see into the oven with the door closed so I can watch the perspex and make sure it's softening properly. Where do you get heat-proof glass from? You get it from the side of the road at a council throwout. This is an oven door and I've taken the two pieces of glass out of it. The inner piece of glass is absolutely perfect. That'll go in the door. I'll be able to watch what happens inside. And the top one, which has got a bit of patterning on it, I'm going to put in the top of the oven itself, and that will allow the light to come in so I'm not looking into a dark oven. So that's where you get two pieces of oven glass from a council throwout. The oven door glass is held in place by these flanges I've bent up. Slides in there, and then these tabs at either end I'll just pop rivet in place, and the glass in the roof of the oven will be held in place in the same way. Every oven door needs a handle so you can open it. I saved this one off the barbecue oven top. Yes, another freebie.
Bye.